You see them everywhere, and they can often influence the decisions and purchases you make. Of course, we're talking about logos. Companies spend millions on designing logos that not only help attract your attention, but also deliver a message, sometimes hidden. What do we mean? Well, take a look at these logos and you'll see there's often more than meets the eye. From razor blades to social media apps, hit that subscribe button and prepare to see some pretty interesting things, often hidden in plain sight. Continental. We'll start this one off with a pretty straightforward example. People into cars and trucks will know that Continental is a German automotive company best known for their tires. But what about people who aren't into cars? They would look at this logo and have no clue what Continental was. An airline? A type of breakfast? Well, the designers have added a hidden image in this logo to help you remember. Look at the CO in this logo long enough and you'll see that it's actually a 3D white wall tire. Tostitos. We've all seen these products in the grocery store. Maybe you even grabbed a bag of their tortilla chips in preparation for the big game on the weekend. But have you ever really noticed what's hidden in the logo? Look at the T's and the I. It's actually two people dipping a chip into a bowl of salsa. That's definitely one of those things that once you see it, you can never unsee it. Anyone else suddenly have the urge for nachos? No? Okay, let's proceed. FedEx. It's one of the most recognizable logos around thanks to its purple and orange coloring and the fact that it's on the side of delivery trucks all over the world. Yet there's a little hidden tidbit in this logo that you may not have ever noticed. Don't just read the FedEx logo, but stop and look at it. Do you see it yet? Now, how about you focus on the space between the E and the X? Yep, there it is, an arrow. It's cleverly inserted and acts as a positive modifier for the logo because the arrow is pointing ahead to the future. Gillette. For years, this company was known by its catchphrase, "the best a man can get." When they're trying to stuff 12 blades on a single razor, Gillette is letting their logo subtly remind you of what they offer. What do we mean? Well, take a closer look and see if anything stands out. If you notice the angled cut in the first two letters, then good for you. The sharp angle added makes it look like the letters were sliced with a razor, the very same thing Gillette sells. Amazon. Like Google, Amazon is taking over the world. Yet we don't seem to care because it's just so convenient and easy to use. Sure, Amazon's marketing and business strategies have a lot to do with their success, but we also think their logo has played a bit of subliminal role here. Just look at it. Yes, there's the smile underneath the company name that is meant to tell you how happy customers are who use this. But if you notice the smile is connecting two letters, literally from A to Z. It's a subtle way of telling you that Amazon has you covered for pretty much anything you could possibly need. 80/20. This South African company is all about providing strategy, research, and analytical services to potential clients. Oh yes, and its logo will also give computer geeks a chuckle. To anyone else, 80/20's logo just looks like some squares with the company's name underneath. To those in the know, those squares are a binary sequence for 101000000010100. What's that mean? Well, it's binary for 80 and 20. Yep, nerdy, but very awesome and very original. Toblerone. If you love chocolate, then you've likely had more than a few Toblerone bars in your life. You probably know that it's well known for its distinct packaging and pyramid-shaped chocolate. Yet, there's a hidden message on the package, and if you look closely, you just might see it. Try looking at the mountain. Yep, there it is, a bear. So what's significant about this? Well, the mountain denotes Switzerland, the land of Toblerone. The bear is meant to signify Bern, the Swiss city where Toblerone was first created and whose coat of arms even sports a bear of its very own. Unilever. This European-based company makes a lot of products, and odds are you have used a few in your house. Dove soap, Lipton soups, Tresemme shampoo, Unilever makes it all. Yet their logo seems pretty simplistic. It's like a giant blue U, right? Look closer. You'll see that U is made up of all sorts of smaller images. Unilever has done this on purpose, and each symbol is meant to show a type of product or corporate value associated with the company. Vaio. They make tablets, laptops, and desktop computers. However, have you ever really looked at the company's logo and considered it more deeply? Probably not. After all, it's just some meaningless fancy design meant to make it stand out, right? Wrong. The Vaio logo is another one of those designs that computer geeks will get before most other people. Did you know it actually symbolized the coming together of audio and video technologies into mainstreaming computing product? Yup. The VA is actually an analog wave, and the IO, well, that's a 1 and a 0 used in binary code. Facebook Places. Facebook Places is a location tool that allows you, your friends, and the government to know where everyone is at all times. Okay, in all seriousness, it's mainly meant for smartphone users who want to update their status and info on Facebook so they can stay in touch with friends better. Facebook took a bit of a flack for this because it was pretty much a copy of what Foursquare had already been offering. Worse yet, as if to add insult to injury, Facebook's logo was a purple location marker stuck in a square map where the roads took the shape of a 4. That's not very nice. So, how many of these hidden messages did you know about, and how many actually surprised you? Let us know in the comments down below. If you're still in the mood for more fun and the little-known facts, try checking out some of our other videos here at The Richest. Just make sure to subscribe. Bye-bye!